Super pumped, guys. All the parts are here except for the graphics card. So we got the tower. We got one of these babies. A chip deal. One of those. Yeah. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm going to watch a video. Let's build this thing. Guys, we got about as far as we could. This is where we're at. There's not much more that I can plug in. Super hyped though. All we need is the graphics card, and then we'll finish the video. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Is this YouTube?
It will be. You ready for that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. All right, Coop. I have an important question for you.
Yes?
How do you feel you contributed most to helping me build this PC?
Well, I saw it, and I gave you the idea, and you're like, man, that sounds cool. So then we started building it.
Yeah.
And it turned out awesome. And then I had to leave.
Yeah, I think you were pretty instrumental.
I'm streaming right now.
Yeah, now you're streaming even before me. You're on YouTube already, right?
Yeah, I was recording YouTube.
Oh, that's awesome. What's your YouTube channel again?
I don't have a name. I don't know how to get it.
Okay, we'll figure that out and we'll post it later, right?